Completing a proper foot health check involves several steps. Advanced Foot Care Nurse and Wellness. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Gather the necessary tools. Collect a chair, a towel, a magnifying glass, a mirror, optional but helpful, a pen or pencil, and a notepad or foot health checklist form. Find a comfortable and well-lit area. Locate a suitable place where you can sit down and comfortably examine your feet. Wash and dry your feet. Start by washing your feet thoroughly with warm water and mild soap. Inspect for any visible issues. Sit down and prop one foot onto your other leg, resting it comfortably. If you notice any abnormalities, write them down on your notepad or foot health checklist form. Check your toenails. Examine your toenails for ingrown nails, fungal infections, or any other abnormalities. Assess circulation. Gently press your thumb against the top of your foot and hold it for a few seconds. This can help indicate the quality of the blood circulation in your feet. Test sensation and nerve function. Close your eyes and lightly touch various areas of your foot, including the sole, heel, toes, and sides, with a pen or pencil. Evaluate foot arches and alignment. Stand up and observe the alignment of your feet. Check footwear. Assess your shoes for signs of wear, proper fit, and support. Take notes and seek professional help if needed. Write down any observations, abnormalities, or concerns you noted during the foot health check. Remember to perform regular foot health checks to detect any issues early and maintain the overall health of your feet. Copyright 2023, Advanced Foot Care Nurse. By clicking Accept All, you consent to the use of all the cookies. Stop ingrown pain and book now.